This is the 5th tutorial in the series of Final Cut Beginners lessons. This is a practice session to allow you to complete the edit in your own time. In the last 2 lessons, you saw how to select portions of clips in the browser and add those to your project, and then finally adjust them in the timeline. I'll do the same with these while you watch here, and then let you work by yourself to match the completed lesson number 5. Course material and the completed Final Cut library is downloadable. Check in the description below and click the eye above to access the lesson 1, which details on how to download it. And if you've been keeping up with me, use your My First Edit project to follow from here. We've completed lesson 4. Double-click that project to open it in the timeline. Before I add more clips to the project, let me show you how to see what footage has already been added to your project. Go to the View menu and select Browser, and make sure Used Media Ranges is ticked. Now when you look at the film strips in the browser window, you see orange lines to indicate the portions of the clips that are open in the timeline. Let's now add the rest of the clips to the edit, starting with 16. With this clip, you'll show the yacht winding its way through the moored boats. This time, I'll show you a different way to select that portion of the clip and add it to your project. Skim to the point just before the yacht turns left. And a tip, video always looks good when a moving object is turning rather than just moving in a straight line. Now at the point where the skimmer is, press the I key. This marks an in point at that position in the film strip. Skim to where the yacht is fully visible beyond the moored cruiser. Press the O key and an out point is marked and the yellow outline shows. This time select the Append button in the middle menu bar, and this is the same as pressing E. And a tip, I and O can also be used as in and out points within the timeline itself. Next, you'll work with 17, 21 and 22, and these are going to be inserted between 4 and 5 in the timeline. Select a portion of 17 in the browser as the yacht is manoeuvred down the ramp, avoiding as much of the camera shutter as you can. Place the playhead in the timeline at the edit point between 4 and 5. Press W or the Insert button in the middle menu bar. Now add 21 and 22, inserting them after 17 using the W key. Add into the timeline 27, 49, 119 and 120 in your own time. And when you finish this lesson, you can compare it with completed lesson number 5 to see how you've gone. In the next lesson, you'll look at adding titles. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.